Firstly, thank you, Mamta, for having me on this beautiful show, Unbound with Mamta. I love the name. I'm Bhaktava. I proudly call myself as Ranveer's mother. I have three beautiful children and I'm an educationist. I am the deputy chairperson at the Scottish Eye International School in Gurgaon. But I'm a hands-on mom. That's my introduction.
Totally.
A hands-on mom.
So many kids under you.
Absolutely.
So you
We
got
have
to
some
be.
2,400 beautiful students studying in the school, and like I said, three of my own.
Yeah. Here we are, yet another episode and yet another unstoppable human. Bhaktava Saini. Welcome to my show, ma'am, and it's such a great honor, pleasure, and what should I say, like a huge serendipity for me to have you here.
Not at all.
Always been a great follower of your work, follower of your philosophy and what you bring to life, the kind of change maker, the kind of change that you are and with which that you're leading the world to. A brief introduction about yourself.
Firstly, thank you, Mamta, for having me on this beautiful show, Unbound with Mamta. I love the name.
Thank you.
And I'm Bhaktava. I proudly call myself as Ranveer's mother. I have three beautiful children and I'm an educationist. I am the deputy chairperson at the Scottish Eye International School in Gurgaon. But I'm a hands-on mom. That's my introduction.
Totally.
A hands-on mom.
So many kids under you.
Absolutely.
So you
We
got
have
to
some
be.
2,400 beautiful students studying in the school, and like I said, three of my own.
Yeah. I would just want to deep dive from the very beginning of your life that when you were setting yourself professionally, orienting yourself and your career, was this always a vision that you wanted to be in education? No. How did you land up then?
I was a complete corporate person
Okay.
and worked with the Taj Group of Hotels for 12 long years. That was my first job.
Okay.
Got married very early in life. By 20, I was married. And we decided to have our first child at 25. When I was 25, I had my daughter. So around 22, 23, I joined the Taj Group of Hotels.
Okay.
And started with the basic reservation executive at the Taj and then grew up the ladder.
Wow.
And I love the Tata vision of and the work ethics at the Taj. And I finally put in my papers as a director of sales at the Taj Group of
Oh,
Hotels.
wow. After 12
After
years.
12 long
Yeah.
years.
Wow.
And I proudly have that certificate put on the walls
Wow.
of my current office, where Taj gives you a long service award. That is my biggest life's award, to
Yeah.
have that. So I was passionately loving my job and enjoying life till life decided to have a little side turn,
Yeah.
which I don't regret taking that turn.
Yeah. But coming back, just taking a moment back from where we are in our conversation, that all this while there was no blame, there was no question, there was no doubt, there was no, there was no quest to know that why me, why is it happening, how did you really emotionally, did you give yourself time to emotionally process this whole thing?
Yes, I did pretend to go past the denial stage quickly. As far as my husband was concerned and my family, my daughter was concerned, I had to be the stronger one.
Of course.
And we, like I told you, we were going through a lot of transition in life,
Yeah.
a lot of changes in life, a new job, a new area, a new city altogether. We were Bombayites moving to Delhi. So there were a lot of changes in our lives. So to think about why me, Kintu Parantu, the emotional trauma, I used to have my chats with God, on a one-on-one basis. And I would always tell him that, maybe that time I did not pray properly. So is this the penalization? You have your
Ways to
one-on-one
process, yeah.
talks and the way you process. Maybe I hurt someone. Maybe I had an intercaste marriage. Maybe I had hurt my parents' sentiments. Is this the way? So there were so many ifs and buts between me and my God Almighty. I'm a very religious person and I believe in something called spirituality. And I know there is a higher power sitting up there
Absolutely.
guiding us all. Yeah. So I did have my journey of talking with God, and I did go make sure that I took Ranveer then to all the possible pillar and post seeking for spiritual intervention.
Okay.
So I would take him to any religious gurus, babas, whoever I was shown, a door to. इसके पास जाओ ठीक हो जाएगा. इनके पास जाओ ठीक हो जाएगा. So picking up little Ranveer, running there. नहीं नहीं ठीक हो जाएगा. Convincing my educated husband, who would always tell me, work on your child, stop running around. I would say, no, give me one last chance. Maybe यहाँ hope है. So fighting all the odds, I would reach all the. They may be very divine and good in
Blessed
their own
and
way,
yeah.
but I did not find any joy. Every time I would reach a place, I would be told that maybe आप ये पहना दो, आप वो पहना दो, आप ये टोटका करो, बस कल बोलना शुरू कर देगा. आप ये यज्ञ करो घर में, and I would organize the yagya and I get glares from my husband, there you go again. Organize the yagya and I would be told that देखो अब भगवान जी निकलेंगे फायर से और अभी आप अब ये सोना दान करो, चांदी दान करो, and then the monetary part would come in, which I was not told earlier. आप 4-4 लाख की फ्रेम्स लगा दो साईं बाबा की अपने कमरे में तो ही ठीक होगा. तो ऐसे नहीं, मेरे पास भी एक फ्रेम है, मैं अपनी फ्रेम लगाऊंगी. नहीं नहीं यहाँ से ही खरीदनी है. So then I realized as an educated woman, I was getting into that trap. Of,
Yeah.
how much you have to draw a line between blind faith and the reality.
Yeah. So has this triggered any story, idea or thought in you? Or do you have a story to tell yourself? Then reach out to me at Unbound with Mamta. Write to me at unboundwithamtaa@gmail.com या फिर किसी भी हमारे एपिसोड, स्टोरी, रील या शॉर्ट्स को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें. Keep watching Unbound with Mamta. Coming to just my unbounding, the last leg of the show, which is a rapid fire, rapid reflex round, my personal favorite, and I hope you find it fun too. So this is just a quick volley of questions, like maybe a one line or a one word answer. Are you ready for this, Bhakta?
I'm trying to be excited, yes.
Never have you ever, just complete this sentence for me.
Never have I missed a flight.
Okay.
I do
want
fear.
to?
I
Do you
do
want
fear,
to?
but I've never missed a flight.
Okay. The most fabulous thing about your marriage?
My best friend is my life partner.
Oh, so sweet. So
We've
sweet.
grown together. It was literally cradle snatching. We got married when I was just 19 and a half, like I told you. So.
Give me the meaning of each of your child's names.
Parinaz is pride of a fairy. Ranveer is victory in life. And Ranvij is victory in all battles of life.
Wow. If not an educationist and a mom on purpose, you would be?
I would be a doctor.
Oh.
I'm a self-made doctor. I've learned, I love reading and I love to read on medicines, and though my family doctor would beat me up,
Really?
yeah, I would.
That's
I'm a
interesting.
self-made doctor. I love medicine.
That's very interesting. One author that's your most favorite, or you have the most?
I think I've read the complete collection of Sidney Sheldon.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's very sweet. Bombay versus Delhi. Pick one.
Now Delhi. I love Gurgaon. And the only difference earlier was, which now I think times have changed, earlier was Bombay had great work ethics vis-a-vis North India. But now I think
Things have changed.
Gurgaon has become another
Yeah.
corporate hub.
Yeah.
So things are definitely changing.
Yeah, yeah. One thing which is like a must do for you first thing in the morning, you wake up and you have to.
I have to say a prayer.
Yeah. And like a night ritual, bedtime ritual, one thing which is a must.
I enjoy my drinks.
Oh!
I'm a Fauji's wife, don't forget. So I need to have my 30 ml vodka before I
Oh,
sleep.
so sweet. Secret indulgence. Nobody really knows about it much.
I am a Bombayite, so I love eating chana and sing. That's what Bombay people say. I can eat a dabba sitting alone watching a movie.
Oh, I wish you had told us. We had just stuck to Vada Pav.
So that's my indulgence.
Is Bhaktavar a good cook? Yes or no?
Trying to be a good cook.
As a mother, how do you see yourself? Just give yourself one adjective, whatever.
A friend to my kids.
One thing that you'd like to say to your life partner. One thing.
Thank
Looking
you.
at the camera.
Thank you for being there for me always. Unconditionally. There
Yeah.
was no condition ever in the relationship. It was unconditional love from his side, always.
Best thing to have happened to you in life? Blessing.
My family.
Favorite travel spot on this earth?
Goa and London.
How do you sum yourself up in your own eyes? You are
A strong mom. Never say never.
one thing that you'd like to leave as a thought or just words of wisdom or inspiration for women out there, women as parents, as leaders, as entrepreneurs. What's your message to them?
I think the gender stereotype is in any case now a passe. But for women, I would always say me time, important. Loving yourself, important. Dressing for yourself, important. And yeah, enjoy your life, because after all, we also, this is my only first, and I don't know how to put this up, but I think it's my life too, I
Yeah,
need
yeah.
to
This is
make
only
my
one
mistakes,
life.
learn
Yeah.
from my mistakes, and keep moving on.
Fantastic. I think with that, you've truly come unbound on the show, Bhaktava. Thanks a lot for
Thank you.
sharing all of it with all heart, your joy, your purpose, your journey, your challenges, and all your victories. I mean, you're such a inspiration.
Thank you, Mamta, for having me here. And I think this show was the first time where I opened out. So I think thank you for having me.
Thanks a lot.